Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the one required capability, commands. Open your world settings and toggle Cheats or the Education Edition command access. This gives you permission to run system commands. Once done, make sure you save and reopen the world if needed. You will use chat or the code builder to type commands. This step is critical because without commands, the weather cannot be forced. Remember, you must be host or an operator, otherwise the server will reject the weather command. You now execute the action that stops rain. Type the weather command. Open chat, enter /weatherclear to switch to clear skies immediately, or add a duration like /weatherclear 1 million for a long clear period. Once you press enter, the game processes the command and the rain will stop. This is the how. The why is simple. Commands override biome weather and server cycles, forcing a persistent clear state so gameplay continues without precipitation. You finish by verifying the change and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Look for the chat confirmation that the weather was set to clear. If rain persists, rerun /weatherclear or specify a larger duration. Make sure no command blocks, server scripts, or other players with permissions are running weather commands that override you. If commands fail, double-check cheats are enabled and your operator status. Once fixed, rerun the clear command and enjoy uninterrupted clear skies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.